Hi, this video will show you how to register your CCA for next academic year, which is academic year 2019 and 2020. Before you proceed, you need to understand that the registered CCAs is valid for 1 year. Students are not allowed to change CCAs in Term 2 and 3, unless for medical reasons. Applications for change of CCAs in Term 2 and Term 3 must be supported with report by a registered medical practitioner. The school reserves the right to remove a student from any CCA for disciplinary issues and reassign the student to another CCA of the school's choice. To register your CCA, you need to choose one sport or game, and one more club or society. There is also an optional ECA of golf and cheerleading for those who wish to participate on Friday afternoon. If you have a brother or sister studying in Austin Heights Private and International School, you will have to log out after you have registered, and then log in again using his or her username, before you repeat all these steps for your sibling. First, you need to log into Blackboard Learn using your own username and password. The system will register you based on your username. Second, look for the class Primary CCA and ECA 2019 and 2020. If you are a secondary school student, you will see Secondary CCA and ECA 2019 and 2020. Select the class to begin with. Third, look for the link labeled with CCA and ECA Register here on the left-hand side of your screen, and click on the link. Remember, you are only allowed to choose one of the sports or games. To continue, click on the button which labeled View Sign Up Sheet to join a group. Next, you are required to read the terms and conditions before you register any of the sports and games. You should only proceed with registration if you agree with all the terms and conditions. After that, you need to be very careful when selecting a sport or game. Place your mouse on the right-hand side of your screen, above the scroll bar, then click and drag the scroll bar to scroll down or use the wheel on your mouse for scrolling. Never hover your mouse, or click on the Sign Up button, until you are very sure you want to sign up for that particular sport or game. Take your time to look for the sport or game you prefer, and note down the fee you need to pay, before you click on the Sign Up button. If a particular sport or game has reached the maximum members allowed, it will be automatically removed from the system to avoid being over-registered. Now, select the sport or game you prefer, by clicking on the Sign Up button. To confirm if you have signed up successfully, click on the Sports and Games Registration link again. This time, you will only see the sport or game which you have signed up for. At this stage, you have completed the selection of sport or game. Click on CCA and ECA Register here on the left-hand side of your screen again, and choose Clubs and Societies. To continue, click on the button which labeled View Sign Up Sheet to join a group. You will see the same terms and conditions again. You should only proceed with registration if you agree with all the terms and conditions. Look for the club and society you prefer, and note down the fee you need to pay, before you click on the Sign Up button. If a particular club or society has reached the maximum members allowed, it will be automatically removed from the system to avoid being over-registered. To confirm if you have signed up successfully, click on the CCA and ECA Register here link again. This time, you will see the club or society which you have signed up. The registration for ECA is optional. You may register an additional ECA by repeating the above steps. Your registration of CCA will only be completed when you have your CCA payment paid to the school. One more thing. When you are registering your CCA, you will find different groups. For example, if you want to join badminton game, you will see Badminton Group A, Badminton Group B and Badminton Group C. You can just sign up for any one of the badminton groups. Members will be reshuffled again later. Thank you for using Blackboard Learn to register your CCA.